Hey guys, so I decided that I'll finally do the review on the Fenty Beauty products and especially the foundation. I wasn't gonna get the foundation before because I thought that I don't know, it was just a bit too yellow, but it actually oxidizes into your shade, so that's one thing you have to keep in mind if you're going to buy the Fenty Beauty foundation. I was stuck between 400, this is 410 and 420, and they kind of look the same, but in the end, MC said 410 was my shade, so I went 410. That's when you need a boyfriend to help you shop in Sephora. I can't wear any eye makeup because I've got a sty. I've actually been very ill recently, that's why I haven't been uploading YouTube videos and stuff because I've been like too exhausted and tired. But I really wanted to get this video out for you guys, so see you today. So I'm going to use 3 pumps, and I'm going to use this thing. I'm not going to put it back in my hand because it's just too messy. You only really need 3 pumps if you're using a beauty blender. I have tried using a brush before I used the Zoeva 104 buffer brush, and it just like soaks up too much product and it just looks really drying on the skin, so I would recommend using a sponge, just saying. So anyway, I'm going to use my Cover FX custom enhanced drops in candlelight, and you literally need a tiny bit. Like I've seen girls on Instagram put tons and tons in their face, and really you don't even need that much. And I'm going to use the Sephora sponge to blend that in. I'm only putting it on the places I want to highlight on my face, because if you put it elsewhere you just end up looking like sweaty. That's what I feel. And I think a lot of girls use these like almost like a tanning and highlighting effect, because it does add a bit of deepness to your skin, especially if you're lighter of skin. Put in 3. Oh. The first 2 didn't count because it was struggling to get out. So now I'm going to use my Beauty Blender sponge. I have literally, as I said, used a brush before and I just don't like the effect. I've used different brushes as well, like the what's it called? Real Techniques brush, the buffer brush that everyone has, the orange one. Yeah, don't really like it. So, because a little bit goes such a long way with this product. So as you can see, it's looking a bit like light on my face at the moment. But don't worry, it all blends in and looks like my skin. This product is like medium to full coverage, so you can definitely build it up, and it is a soft matte like it says. Like I was trying to explain what this product was or how it feels on the skin to my friend Emma, and I just couldn't get the words for it. But yeah, it's like not dewy, not completely matte, it's literally like a soft matte. I think I've even got too much foundation on my thing. I would say just like do 1 pump, use that, see how you feel, and then go for another one. Usually I do use 3 pumps, but I feel like today I just don't need 3 pumps. Yeah, like I've got that much left. I've got quite a bit left. Anyway, I'll show you guys how it's like buildable. I love the finish of this. Like you could definitely make it like light coverage if you wanted to, and you could definitely do like a full coverage if you wanted to. I've got like a double chin happening. For concealer, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. I wouldn't recommend using this concealer very often because it does leave, it does create under eye lines, I've noticed. I'm taking this too close to my eye because of the sty. For highlight, I'm going to use a Kat Von D concealer and D31, just like the tiniest amount. And I'm just going to let that sit, and for contour I'm going to use the Rihanna matchstick in Espresso. I'm going to blend the matchstick in first because it is quite drying, and if I don't blend it in soonish it will just look really like streaky. I can never get the product in this part of my head. Like, so now if you have like dry skin, I don't think I'd recommend this product for you. if you have got dry skin and you want to wear this foundation, I would highly suggest like doing a deep moisturizing mask or something, or like make sure you just moisturize really well, maybe with like a bit of oil or something, but let that sit in. Don't just put the oil on and just put the foundation on, because then the foundation will just slip and slide. And also to like exfoliate your skin before you wear this foundation, because it is quite dry, but it doesn't look like matte. Like, I think the Huda Beauty one looks more matte than this. I like the texture of this. I can't feel it on my face as well, which is nice. Just doing my double chin. Now moving on to my nose, and I'm going to use the Kat Von D concealer brush as a nose contour brush. I think it works well because it's just the right shape. One thing I've noticed about this foundation, it doesn't transfer either. I haven't noticed it transfer. Like, I can hug MC and he doesn't get the foundation all over his shirts like he usually does. I'm gonna go in with my sponge and blend in that concealer. Also, if you have like dry skin, I don't think you need to really set this product because you'll just end up with like a really dry face. My arm is so tired of blending, oh my god. I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown Cheek Glow palette in Bronze Sun. It's so beautiful. Like, it just gives like the most natural looking highlight and like sun to your face. I'm gonna use the same brush I use for my contour. It's a weird product. It's like you can't really swipe it off. It's like a weird like gel. I don't know. Adds that nice like sun glow. I really wanted the Tom Ford like highlight contour palette, but they don't stop the dark shade in Singapore, because Singapore doesn't know how to get their stuff together. Okay, so I've just like done my face and I sprayed it with some of the dewy spray. I have gone without and with dewy spray. I just like dewy spray because it makes my face more dewy. So yeah, because I noticed a review on the Rihanna Fenty Beauty thing, but I want to do my makeup as how I would wear my makeup if I was to go out. So yeah, it just makes sense to do my makeup like how you usually would do it, instead of me like not powdering and not putting on blush and all that stuff, because like who doesn't do that? Who just puts foundation on their face and walks out? I have no idea. But now take my Bobbi Brown Cheek Glow palette and use the highlight shade just to add. It's like a really natural glow. I'm gonna line my lips with my favourite nude lip pencil. And now, finally got the gloss bomb. It smells lovely. It's like nostalgic. Like, you know the lip gloss you used to get in those magazines when you were a kid? It smells like that, but sweeter. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go out and do what I need to do for today with my big ass sty in my eye. The time right now is almost 1 p.m. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm gonna do that. And I'll come back at the end of the day to tell you guys how this makeup kept up and what my final thoughts on this foundation is. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so it's now, time has passed. The time now is 8:21, and so my makeup's been on for like 8 hours. It's been on for like 7 going 8 hours, because obviously I started putting makeup on at 12:30. Anyway, I'm not gonna math. Anyway, this is what my face looks like right now. As you can see, like, I think it looks really good. My face looks really good for the time it's been on. It's been a full 8 hours. I'm a bit oily, as you can see right here. Yeah, right here, and a bit there. I don't know if I can like try and cover that light. It has broken up a tiny bit in, like, my pores are starting to show through because I've got clogged pores, so they show through more than people who have pores that, like, unclogged pores, sorry. But it doesn't look too bad, honestly. I've also been wearing sunglasses all day because I'm in Singapore and it's humid. The temperature today is, the weather today was a high of 31 and a low of 24. So it's been hot and I've not been in aircon this whole time. So now I'm gonna block for you so you can see. I'm using the Gatsby oil clear sheets. So that's the amount of oil that's from my forehead. This bit's clear, so I'm just gonna, my nose. Funny if I have like oily under eyes as well. Oh god. That's the oil for my nose. And then my chin. I'll do up my upper lip. So I looked at it first when I did my chin. My chin has the most amount of oil. This isn't bad in terms of the amount of oil that comes to my face after 8 hours, and I have not blotted or powdered at all as I've been out. So I look really good after I've blotted. I think the Rihanna Fenty foundation, honestly, it's a must-have because the amount of oil that came off my face after wearing it for a good 8 hours, and I've been like sitting like this, I've been not doing that, I've been scratching my face because I was in Starbucks editing this video, not this bit but the bit before, and like I've been like this all day. Look, it just doesn't transfer, it just stays in my face. So yeah, I think that if you're looking for a good foundation, a good affordable foundation, I think this is like around 20 to 25 to 30. I think it's like £25. I don't know, I got it in Singapore, but I can't remember how much I paid in Singapore for it. But yeah, if you're looking for like a really good affordable foundation, out of, if I was to like rate this foundation, I would rate it a I think an 8 out of 10. Saying, yeah, I haven't found a foundation that I really truly love, and I you know, like I really love this foundation. Look, don't get me wrong, like this is gonna be my everyday. This is my everyday foundation from the get go. It just works beautifully. A little bit goes a long way, but I think the reason why 8 out of 10 is because this is really hard foundation in terms to choose your shade. So you can't really go Sephora, squirt it on your hand, or squirt it on your hand and put a bit on your face, or get it tested and then, you know, you can't just pick it up right there and then because it oxidizes. Because I had to try this in Sephora on my bare face, leave Sephora, walk around a bit, see how it looked, and then buy it next time. So yeah, and oh, by the way, I've got a tan because I'm in Singapore, so I don't wear sunscreen on this part of my body. So if it doesn't look like it completely matches my body, it's because this is my tan version of me. Like down there is a bit lighter. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you see the comparison. I'm not flashing you guys, it's just a bit lighter. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, definitely get this foundation. Just know it oxidizes, so go a couple shades lighter than you would actually wear. This needs me to be sitting down. Like,
I mean, you were never standing up.
Shut up. I mean, sitting down like this. Like a second ago I was all relaxed. Now I'm like serious. I don't like it. I don't like it because one, is too glittery. I think I'm slightly allergic to it. Like I've heard quite a lot of people are allergic to the Fenty glitter lip thingies, like the Galaxy one she has released. After wearing it for like 3 hours, my lips were doing this weird peely thing. It wasn't like a sore. It didn't peel off my entire skin on my lips. It almost exfoliated my lips. The dead skin of my lips came off on the gloss bomb, but I had exfoliated my lips 2 days before, so I don't see. It was just weird. It was just like a weird layer, which look, I don't know. What I'm saying is, I don't like this gloss bomb. I may wear it every now and then. It's really cute for pictures because it's all glittery and sparkly and shiny and videos and all that stuff. So I will not throw it away. The smell is nostalgic, so I will keep it. But my go-to lip balm lip gloss is this one from Sephora. It's in the shade 2, and it's Plumping Effect lip gloss. It's really nice. It's really cute. Okay, and the doe fish is cute. Anywho guys, thanks for watching my review / tutorial on this Fenty Beauty foundation. I really hope you liked it. If you've got any other suggestions, leave it in the comments down below. Any like tips or things I could do better in my videos in the future, please let me know. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.